I pressed the wrong button, sorry. The lighting's really good today. I really liked how the lighting was, so I wanted to take advantage. I'm walking eastbound. It's early in the morning. Reason why I'm jaywalking right now. See, if you see behind me, there, in the distance, there's a tent in the middle of the street. I don't know if that's your friend or family, but that's not cool. Come on now. Could you I don't know. I don't even know the story. I've heard stories that there's certain parts of the city that is I wonder if he's gonna make it.
Saw it loose.
Maybe not. Shoot. Is he gonna try it again? Oh shoot.